This is Maggie. She is about 2 months, 2 weeks. I don't even know if she'll turn around and let you guys see her. She's just showing her bum. Come on. Ah, you're a cat. Say hello. Say hello to the camera. Ah, look at right there. Ah. She has a fetish with feet, and she likes toothpaste. Yep. Look here. Well, of course you know what cats do. Just round and around. She has a sister and 2 brothers. They all have homes, but we decided to keep her because she looks a little bit like her mom. And the weird thing is she looks like her Aunt Daisy, which they're not related whatsoever. She's just my fiance and my cat, so we just call her Aunt Daisy. I'm sure in other videos you'll see them. Right now, it's all about Maggie. Just being kitten, being cute as ever. Well, this is it for now. Better go post this so you meet the cutest kitty in the world. Say bye.